we love to dream big. We love to visualize what will happen in our future. We love to have big goals. And we love to imagine that time when we'll achieve that. Yes? And trust me, all of us have the capability of getting to that goal no matter how big it is. But there is one mistake that we make in the process which stops us from getting there. You know what it is? Let me tell you. Let me explain it to you using a very relatable example. For instance, most of you want to get into a very good college, yes? And for that you have to crack an examination. Now, in order to crack that examination, you have to study hard, you have to be very consistent, you have to be dedicated, you need to solve a lot of tests. And one fine day, while solving a mock test, you realize you're not scoring well. And at that time, there's a certain thought process that goes in your mind. Oh, not able to score well. Okay, if not the best college, I'll go to the average college, or maybe I'll go to the local college. Over there also life will be good. I'll manage, etc. What you've done right now is you've given yourself a backup plan. And this is the worst thing that you can ever do if you actually want to achieve something. See, humans are just programmed to be lazy. Humans are programmed to just sit in one place and do nothing. That's what we want to do all the time, right? Just sit in one place, do nothing, just chill. Okay, let's play some video games, let's talk to some people, but that's it. You don't really want to work hard all the time, yes? So in this process, when we give ourselves this excuse of a backup plan, what you are simply doing is you are just diluting your efforts. So as soon as you give yourself an option, as soon as you tell yourself that, okay, there's another option where you can put a little less effort and still live your life, that is where you start to fail. My dear friends, if you have only one goal in your mind and you focus on that entirely without giving yourself the option, without allowing yourself to fall back, that is when you definitely will achieve the goal. Have you guys seen that movie, The Dark Knight Rises? In that movie, there's a scene where Batman has to escape a prison and the walls of that prison are very, very high. And it's very risky to climb out of that prison. Anyone can do that. Anyone is free to do that. But to climb up that wall is very difficult. It's a very challenging thing to do. And for safety, everyone ties themselves up and tries to climb the wall. But the wall is so challenging, it's like a rocky mountain that you have to climb. Everyone just falls off back into the prison. Yeah. Batman one day decides that he will not use the safety rope. Because when he reaches that challenging section, if he has the option to fall back, he will just allow himself to fall back. So what he does is no safety rope and then tries to climb up the mountain. As soon as he reaches the challenging section, he is able to scale that wall somehow, even though the risk is very high, because he knows he doesn't have the option of falling back down, otherwise he'll just die. So whenever in life you allow yourself a backup plan, a backup option, trust me, the main plan is not going to work. So from today, write down what your goal is and tell yourself that is the only option in life, nothing else. I know this opinion is a little controversial, but trust me, it works. I've tried it myself. Done.